A broad range of skills and knowledge that can be applied to different industries and sectors is always better than a single technology or industry. General management is a versatile field, providing a broad range of skills and knowledge that can be applied to many industries and sectors. Unlike other fields that can be more specialized or focused, general management provides a comprehensive view of how businesses operate and how to manage them effectively. This can open up many career opportunities and allow you to move between industries as your interests and goals change. Additionally, general management skills are highly valued by employers, making it a field with solid job prospects and potential for career advancement. So, if you are looking for a comprehensive program to enhance your knowledge and skills in general management, Simplilearn's Executive Certificate Program in General Management in collaboration with IIM Indore is the ideal solution for you. Enrolling in the General Management program at IIM Indore will equip you with a comprehensive understanding of various domains such as operations, HR, business strategy, and digital disruption. You will acquire a sound understanding of the basics of how businesses function, enabling you to leverage them effectively in supporting your organization's strategic goals in 6 months. Yes, you heard it right. In just 6 months. This executive program from IIM Indore will cover modules like Foundations of Management. This course provides a thorough introduction of management practices via accounting, finance, marketing, and organizational behavior. Develop the necessary skill set to lead successfully and assist aspiring managers. Marketing management. You will learn crucial marketing strategies including market research, competitor analysis, segmentation, and the 5C framework in this course. Use them to utilize consumer behavior in a changing business environment. Management and leadership. In this module, you will learn about effective team leadership, building and managing successful teams, and fostering a creative workplace culture. Understand the impact of leadership on corporate success and employee development at various levels. Several other modules are also present in this course. You can check them on our website. The link for the same is mentioned in the description below. And finally, there will be an IIM Indore Capstone project. In this module, you can implement the skills you learned throughout this general management course. With tailored mentoring, you will learn how to solve real-world problems and gain industry experience to showcase your proficiency to potential employers. So, what else can you expect from this program? This program includes Executive Education Alumni status of IIM Indore, online self-paced content by IIM Indore, Masterclass by IIM Indore faculty, and live classes by Simplilearn instructors, and a General Management certificate from IIM Indore. The online training will give you hands-on experience in various skills like operations, supply chain management, marketing, human resource management, business analytics, business strategy, and design thinking. Additionally, this general management program by IIM Indore can place you in various high-profile companies, namely IBM, Target, Amazon, TCS, Oracle, and many more. After completing this program, you will receive a General Management certificate from IIM Indore, which will pave a new path for your professional journey. You will also receive certificates from Simplilearn for individual courses in the learning path. So, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this chance to take your career to the next level. Enroll in this General Management program by IIM Indore and start your professional career. The course link is added in the description box below.